How is the attack on the spiritual and cultural symbol affecting Ukraine's morale? The destruction of sacred landmarks goes beyond buildings. It strikes the heart of a nation's identity and spirit. Discover how this shapes resilience in Ukraine. Spiritual and cultural symbols like historic churches, monuments, and landmarks stand as pillars of Ukraine's identity. They connect generations through shared history and faith. When these symbols are attacked, it sends a message not just to the people living there, but to the entire nation. It's an attempt to erode a sense of unity and belonging. This psychological impact can be profound, undermining morale and stirring fear. Yet these attacks often backfire by strengthening the resolve to protect and preserve culture. Even as sacred sites fall victim to destruction, Ukrainians respond with remarkable resilience. The attack on cultural symbols can initially cause sorrow and anger, but it also sparks solidarity. Communities come together to rebuild, document losses, and celebrate their heritage even more fiercely. This shared experience transforms the pain into motivation, reinforcing national pride. In many cases, the cultural damage becomes a rallying cry, boosting morale rather than breaking it. The destruction of Ukraine's spiritual and cultural symbols has caught global attention. International organizations and foreign governments condemn these attacks as violations of cultural heritage and human rights. This worldwide spotlight encourages support for Ukraine, both politically and humanitarianly. It also raises awareness about the importance of preserving cultural identity amid conflict. This external support bolsters morale internally, showing Ukrainians that their struggle and culture are recognized and valued globally. Attacks on Ukraine's spiritual and cultural symbols are more than physical destruction. They strike at identity and unity. Yet, they often strengthen resilience, uniting people to protect their heritage and spirit. If you want more surprising answers that feed your curiosity, hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.